Welcome to Vapi, the future of intelligent customer interactions. Let's begin by accessing your Vapi account. Successfully logging in is your gateway to harnessing the power of AI-driven voice solutions. Within the Vapi dashboard, navigate to the AI Agents section. This is the central hub for creating and managing your intelligent conversational agents. Click on the Create New Agent button to get started here. Start by creating an agent profile by typing in a name and a brief description for your AI agent. Tailor your agent's capabilities by choosing an AI model and language that best suits your needs. The model determines how your agent understands and responds, while language selection guarantees your agent communicates correctly. Beyond selecting a model and language, customize your agent's voice. Pick a voice that aligns with your brand identity, personalizing the AI's interactions. Next, you'll design the conversation flow. You'll define prompts and scenarios that guide your AI agent in customer interactions, setting up the groundwork for smart responses. Once you're satisfied with your agent's training, perform a test call to ensure it responds accurately. This final step will ensure your setup works as intended. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your AI agent. Let Vapi revolutionize your communication and provide superior customer service.